Hey everybody, Merrill here with Florida Lanai Curtains and Privacy on Demand. I'm down here in Poinciana, Florida, just past Kissimmee and south of Orlando. And I just finished a big curtain installation. I'm gonna go in here and show you what we did for these folks. You can see all the houses close by, typical new Florida development, all the houses in a row. Everybody looking into each other's patios and screen enclosures. No privacy in your swimming pool or hot tub. So this couple decided to do something about it. So we installed our custom outdoor privacy curtain system for them. And at first, they did just the sides. And now they loved them so much, they decided to have us come back and finish it off across the back. This is a storm colored curtains, umbrella marine canvas. So here we are. This job is finished, and now we have a completely private pool area for this couple to enjoy. Thanks for stopping by Florida Lanai Curtains, Privacy on Demand, and give us a call at 813-220-9444 if you're looking for privacy or shade in your outdoor space. Have a great day.